Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play SnowRunner. First, familiarize yourself with the basic controls for your truck, including steering, acceleration, and braking. Remember to engage all-wheel drive and differential lock when tackling tough terrain like deep mud or steep inclines. Pay close attention to the terrain ahead to anticipate challenges and choose the best path for your vehicle. As you progress, you'll unlock new vehicles and essential upgrades. Visit the garage to install better engines, suspensions, and specialized tires, which are crucial for specific environments. Always repair any damage and refuel your truck before heading out on a new mission to ensure you're prepared for the journey ahead. Smart upgrades make a big difference. SnowRunner features diverse missions, from delivering heavy cargo to rescuing stranded vehicles. Before starting, always check your map and plan your route, considering the terrain and potential obstacles. The winch is your best friend. Use it to pull yourself out of sticky situations or to help other trucks. Patience and careful driving are key to success. For advanced play, explore every corner of the map to find hidden upgrades and activate watchtowers, revealing new areas and missions. Don't hesitate to try out different truck classes. Some are better suited for heavy hauling, while others excel at scouting. Playing with friends in co-op mode can make challenging tasks much easier and more enjoyable, sharing the load and the fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.